What's up guys? Today we are unboxing a tool that is a total game changer for car vlogs and automotive cinematography. This is the Ulanzi SC-02, a powerful 4.5-inch vacuum suction mount kit. Let's see what makes this kit so special. Inside the box it comes with a convenient storage bag. Let's look at the packaging list. We have 4.5-inch suction mount, the dual Ballhead magic arm, a NATO rail, this is the NATO rail connecting here, and a hatch wrench. Storage bag itself. This is the Ulanzi's certificate. Closing the box. Now, first let's look at this massive 4.5-inch base. It's built with metal and high quality rubber. I'm pumping now. Watch the red line. You keep pumping until the red line is completely hidden. That's how you know it's locked with maximum pressure. Now let's assemble the kit. First we take this NATO chute or rail and mount it onto the base using the included hatch wrench. Notice the spring pins on the both sides. These are professional grade safety features to prevent your gear from accidentally sliding off like that. It's not going off. Next we take the dual Ballhead magic arm. It slides right onto the NATO rail and locks firmly with this independent knob. Because it has dual ball heads, you get 360-degree multi-directional adjustment. You can hit any angle, whether it's on car hood or a side window. I'm trying to take off. Now let's talk numbers. This kit is a beast. It has a suggested bearing load of 3 kilograms. But check this out. The horizontal suction power is 60 kilograms and the vertical suction is 40 kilograms. It's even rated to work in extreme temperatures from -20 to 70 degrees Celsius. Whether you are mounting a smartphone, an action camera or small digital cameras, the SC-02 gives you the stability of a professional film crew. Ürüne koyacağım çünkü.
Burada kedicik var. Kedicik var. Ne haber? Salam.
İnşallah düşmez. Bence düşmez. Gel. Thanks for watching unboxing and setup. Don't forget to subscribe for more gear reviews. See you in the next one. Bye.